Lisha. Lisha is going to help us, okay? Come on, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Sai Charan, please join your hands, close your eyes, Sai Charan. Even Sai. Start, Lisha.
Kidsy anthem.
Kidsy anthem.
You are with me.
You are with me.
You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential aside.
My potential inside.
You are the wind.
You are the wind.
Beneath my flight.
Beneath my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential aside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge.
Today I pledge.
With all my might.
With all my might.
I shall achieve you.
I shall achieve you.
My potential aside.
My potential inside.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening, all of you. It was really wonderful. Without any mistake. Give a beautiful clap for Lisha. Very good, Lisha. Slowly, with a good pause, giving space between the words and sentence. Very neatly presented, Lisha. Very good. Come on, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Lisha. Good job. Keep it. Come on, Arjun, Gautam. Clap for our friend, Lisha. Good. Very good, Lisha. Okay. Yes, good evening, Kavin. Shall we start the warm-up? Ready? Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Tiger. Run, run like a tiger. Run like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Elephant. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp. Come on, Shiva, get up, stamp your feet. Stomp like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Kangaroo. Jump like a kangaroo. Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap like a crocodile. Snap like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop. Eagle. Fly like like an eagle. Fly, fly, fly. Fly like an eagle. Stop. Okay, very good. Come to your place, children. Very, very good. Good evening, Lakshita.
Good evening, Mama. Ma'am, I in my grandma's house.
You're at your grandma's place, Kavin?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, please answer your attendance, children. Adya,
Here I
Arav, Akshat, Arjun,
am. Hello, Mom.
Dayanand,
Here I am, Ma'am.
Gautam, Gautam Rishi,
Hey, Ma'am.
Sit down, sit down.
Ritvik,
Here I am, Ma'am.
Jayakrish,
Hey, Ma'am.
Abhishek, Kavin, Kumara Guruparan, Lakshita,
Here I am, Mama.
Lakshraj,
Good evening, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Lisha, good evening, Lakshraj.
Here
Lisha,
I am, ma'am.
Lakshita,
Here I am, ma'am.
Satvik,
Here I am, ma'am.
Nikita, Nivin Surya, Roshan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahaswan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Brian, Sai Charan,
Here
Iza,
I am, ma'am. Here I am, ma'am.
Shiva, Shravan,
Here I am, ma'am.
Madhurika,
Here I am, ma'am.
and Yuvan Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay.
Perfect.
Kumara Guruparan. Yes, good evening, Kumara Guruparan. Join bit early, Kumara Guruparan. Okay. Okay. So today we're going to start with a new rhyme. Okay. Do you all know this patter cake rhyme? Does anybody know this rhyme? Patter cake. Does anybody know? If so, raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jayakrish knows it. Zan knows it. Kumara Guruparan knows it. Yes, Kumaravan, can you sing and show me? You raise your hand now. Patter cake. Do you know the rhyme? Yes, sir.
Like a big smile.
Do you know the rhyme?
Was me.
Few legs are making yours, ma'am.
No, if you know only you should raise your hand. I will give chance to others. Please don't do that, okay? If you know, you raise your hand. Okay. I saw Jayakrish raising hand. Come on, Jayakrish, sing and show me.
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. Okay. Lakshra, do you know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing? Let me see.
Paddle cake. Baker's cake. Baker's man.
Take a cake as fast as you can.
Baker cake fast as you can.
Okay, no problem.
Paddle cake.
Okay.
Ma'am, we don't know the full rhyme.
Okay, no, then we'll learn the full rhyme. Okay, everybody stay on mute, children. No problem. Okay, so we're going to start the new rhyme today. Okay, patter cake. It is not patter. Okay, it is pat. Pat means just tapping like this. This is pat. Just softly, not hitting hard. Slowly like this. That is patting. Okay, small tap. This one pat. Okay, patter cake, bakers man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Even sir, can you keep your pencils down? We are in the rhyme time. I didn't ask you to write anything there. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Okay, the uncle who makes cake is called baker. Okay, the uncle who drives the bus or car is called driver, right? Like that, the uncle who bakes the cake is called baker. Okay, we are asking him to bake a cake, cook a cake and give us. In that cake, he will write the letter B, B. Okay, shall we all sing together? I want all of you to sit straight. Come on, look at me. Follow our classroom rule. Very good. Okay. Patter cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. See, when your mother is cooking in the kitchen, right? They have a stove for cooking. Cake, you can make it in the stove too, but in the oven, the cake will come very nice. So we are asking the baker man uncle to cook the cake in the oven. Okay, last one time. Fast. Okay, patter cake. Baker's man, bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and prick it and mark it with B. Put it in the oven for baby and me. Okay, good. Rhyme time is over. Okay, how many of you didn't practice the words sources of water and seasons? Have you all practiced? I say how many of them has practiced and sent me as a homework. Those who didn't practice those words have to practice today. Okay, this Friday we have a dictation on it. This Friday we will have a dictation on it. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to learn a new concept. Ready to learn? Yes? Okay, let me ask Lakshita.
Yes, Naba.
Lakshita, where are you living, Lakshita? What place are you living?
Chennai.
Chennai, very good. Very good answer. Yes, you are living in Chennai. Yes, some people are living in outside, they are living outside Chennai, they are living in Andhra, they are living in Madurai, Tanjavur, everywhere there. So many places we are living. These are all places. Right? You go to your grandma's place, that is a place. Like that, we are going to learn about India today. What are we going to learn about? India. Okay, ready? I want all of you to sit straight and then listen. Only
India is our country, ma'am.
Yes, good. India is our country. Are you able to see my screen? Yes, Varnika. Okay. So India is our country. Okay. So India is our country, and this is the map of India. Okay, this is the map of India. If we have seen Dora, no, in Dora episode, what will Dora do? She'll have a map in her bag. She'll take the map out of the bag and she'll see where to go and she'll find out the path, right? How? So that is a map. It will tell you place. Where is that place? So this is the map of India. India is our country. Okay. You see here this yellow color T. I'll zoom it. T A M I L N A D U. This is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is our state. Okay, this is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is our state, and you see the black dot here. C H E N N A I. Chennai. This is the place Chennai where we are staying. This whole map of India. This is Tamil Nadu, and this is the place Chennai, and this place only we are staying now. Okay, so our neighboring states are, this is India is our country, Tamil Nadu is our state, and Chennai is our city. Okay, see next near to Tamil Nadu there are few places. Okay, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, is anybody in Kerala now? Is anybody has gone to your grandma's place in Kerala? Now? No. Izan has gone to Kerala? Really?
I Kerala. Very nicey.
Okay, you have gone to Kerala. Okay. Is somebody is in Andhra Pradesh now? Your grandma's place? Yes, Roshan is there. Mahaswin, are you not there? Mahaswin? Yes, Mahaswin is there.
I'm in Andhra Pradesh.
Is there? Has gone there. Okay. So that is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, say I'll show you in the map. So this is Andhra, the green color, no, this is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, somebody has gone to Karnataka, Bangalore. Has somebody gone to Bangalore?
I'm to Maharashtra, ma'am.
I know. I'm asking you.
Cheppali. Ma'am, I go to Bangalore, ma'am.
You bank to Bangalore. Okay. Okay, has somebody gone to Maharashtra, Mumbai, Nagpur?
Me.
Yes. Yes, Lakshya has gone to Maharashtra. Okay. Okay, has somebody gone to Orissa? Has somebody gone to Orissa, Madhya Pradesh?
I go, ma'am. I go, ma'am, Orissa.
You have gone to Orissa? Okay.
Yeah,
Good.
there is just two fans, ma'am.
This pink color is Odisha. Okay. So now where are we? We are in this yellow color, Tamil Nadu. We are in the place called, state called Tamil Nadu, and the city called Chennai. Okay. So India is a country where there are many places there. Okay. One of the places Chennai. There are, see, this is the whole India. This is a whole India map. Okay, there are many places like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Karnataka. Many places are there. One of the places where we are staying now is Tamil Nadu. In this Tamil Nadu only we have Chennai, Pondicherry, Madurai, Tanjavur, Kanyakumari. All these are in this place, Tamil Nadu. In Andhra Pradesh you have many things, Hyderabad. Many things in Telangana is there is Hyderabad. And Karnataka you have the capital as Bangalore. Okay, so this is India map. Next what we are going to see is, we are going to see some of the national animal, bird, what, flag, all we are going to see about India. Okay, so this week we are going to learn about our country. What is our country? Gautam Rishi, what is the name of our country?
India.
Very good. Our name of our country is India. We are going to learn about India this week. Good, Gautam. So we are going to learn about our national symbol, our national bird, national animal, national flag, all whatever is related to our national, we are going to learn today. Okay. Okay. So the first, our national animal is tiger. What is the national animal? Let me ask. Lekshita, what is the national animal? Tiger.
Tiger.
What is the national animal?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. And this is our national emblem. Okay. I have few things to say about a national emblem. So our national emblem will have 4 lions here. 1, 2, 3. At the back, that's who's the talking? Please stay on mute. There will be back 4 lions and the chakra in the middle. You see chakra here, right? There's a chakra here and there's a horse and a bull. This is our national emblem. Okay, our national emblem. If you take your rupee note I showed you last time, remember? The coin, whatever you take, if you have passport, all those you will have this national emblem. Okay, tomorrow I'll show you all those. Okay, so national emblem is lion, 4 lions, chakra in the middle, and the horse here and the bull here. Okay, if you have coins, you can see this national emblem in the coins and the rupee note also. Okay, so this is our national emblem. Next, national flag. So national flag, you know how many colors are there in a national flag? Jai Krish, what are the colors in a national flag?
Orange. White. Green.
Green. And what is the color of the chakra in the middle?
Blue.
Blue. Very good, Jai Krish. Okay. That is our national flag. Okay, I will see everything in detail later. Okay, Adya, what is our national bird? What is this bird?
Peacock, ma'am.
National bird is peacock. Okay. Okay. Then Arjun, what flower is this? Do you know what flower is this, Arjun?
Yes, ma'am.
What flower?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Our national flower is lotus. Okay, our national flower is lotus. Our national animal is elephant. Is our national animal elephant, Kavin?
No.
Tiger, Bengal tiger. The national animal is tiger. Good, Kavin.
Not animal.
It's not elephant. Our national animal is tiger. Kritvik, what is the national bird?
Peacock, ma'am.
Peacock. Our national bird is peacock. Good. Alicia, what is the national flower? Jasmine, rose. What is the national flower?
National flower.
Dominic.
English.
Okay. Lotus.
Very good. Our national flower is not rose. Our national flower is lotus. Good. Next, this is our national tree. Banyan tree. Okay. Our national tree is banyan tree. Satvik, what is the national tree?
Banyan.
Louder.
Banyan.
Banyan tree.
Banyan tree.
Yes, banyan tree. Shravan, what is your national fruit, Shravan?
Mango.
Yes, our national fruit is mango. Okay, good. Yuvansai, what is your national tree? Yuvansai?
Banyan tree.
Banyan tree. Very good. Our national tree is banyan tree. Repeat, national animal is tiger. This is our national emblem. National bird is peacock. National flower is lotus. National fruit is mango. The national tree is banyan tree. Okay. So we saw about national emblem. Next, national flag. So our national flag will have, you can say orange, but actually if you say saffron color at the top, white color in the middle, and green color at the bottom. Last. And then you will have chakra here. Okay, blue color chakra here. So this one, orange stands for strength, braveness. Okay, white stands for peace, and green stands for prosperity and growth. Okay, so you know who is his uncle? Shri Pingali Venkaiah. This is not Gandhiji. Okay, this uncle name is Shri Pingali Venkaiah. He is uncle who designed our national flag. Okay, he only said this flag will have orange color at the top, white color in the middle and green color at bottom. This uncle name is Sri Pingali Venkaya. He was the one who designed the national flag of India. Okay. Let me ask. Izan, can you name that uncle's name? Pingali
Pingali.
Venkaya. Okay. So this is our national flag, lotus. Okay. Okay, now we are going to do the worksheet. Please take out day 136 CT worksheet. Write your name, put today's date. The worksheet I am showing you.
Ma'am, I already finished that worksheet.
Okay. First one, Varnika is going to help me with the first one. Take out your worksheet, everyone. Good, fast. Write your name, put today's date.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
136, 136.
Thank you.
You're welcome. First question, Varnika is going to answer.
Ma'am, I already did it.
If you already finished, good, very good. Without learning, you are not supposed to finish the worksheet, children. Diana and Saichana, I am telling to you. We haven't started that worksheet. Why are you finishing it earlier? Then what will you do in the class when the others are doing? Did you not write your name and today's date? Today's date is what? 15.15.2.21. 15.2.21. Quickly, Varnika is ready. She has written the name and date and is ready, waiting for you. Come on, Arjun. Fast. Lakshita, did you find out the sheet, Lakshita? 136 CT worksheet. Circle the correct picture. We are going to circle the correct picture. Okay. First one. Ready, children? Shall I start? Just show me thumbs up if once you are ready. Yes, Lakshraj is ready. Dayanand is ready. Jayakrish ready. Shravan ready. Varnika ready. Lisha ready. Gautam ready.
I also ready, ma'am.
You also ready, Shiva? Okay. Okay, come on, Varnika. Read this one. N.
N
Mm,
A T
mm,
I
mm.
O N A L.
National.
National.
Mm. F.
F L O W E R.
Read with the phonics. L. Flo. 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 R. Flower. Join and say, what is that? Flower. National flower. What is our national flower? Lotus, rose, lily.
Lotus.
Circle lotus and read out the spelling for lotus. L.
L
Mm,
O
mm.
T U S.
Very good.
S.
Lotus. Good. Next. Lisha. Whom did I say after Varnika? After Varnika, Shiva.
Yes, ma'am. National is tiger.
No, what? Read this. National.
National emblem.
Animal.
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 National animal.
Animal. National animal. What is a national animal?
Tiger.
Read the spelling for tiger.
T
Mm.
R
No.
T I
Mm.
E R. Tiger.
One more time, clearly.
T
Mm.
I
Mm.
G E R. Tiger.
Good. Good. Tiger. Dayanand.
Yes.
National.
Flag.
Yes. What is the national flag? This is a national flag.
No, ma'am.
This is a national flag.
No, ma'am.
This is a national flag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read the spelling for India. India. This one. India.
I
Mm. Mm.
T
Mm.
India.
One more time, dear. Dayanand, one more time. Read the spelling for India.
India.
Very good, Dayanand. Yes. Nikita,
Yes, ma'am.
read this. National
National
bird. Bird.
bird.
What's the
Peacock.
national bird? Peacock. Read the spelling for peacock. Circle it, children, everyone. Mm.
E
Mm.
E
No. Mm.
E O T K.
Mm. Peacock. Very good. Did you all circle it?
Ma'am,
Lotus.
what is natural game, ma'am?
Ma'am, Gritwick Varshik is a different ma'am.
Sorry?
This work is different ma'am. Gritwick the national.
You have national
Okay.
game. National game is hockey.
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
You have it like that in your book. Okay, if we have national sports, okay, Grithvik. Some of you will have like this in the worksheet. You will have national sport. Our national sport is hockey. 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 If you have national sport in your worksheet, thank you for asking, Grithvik. The national sport is hockey. Hockey. It is not cricket. It is not football. It is hockey. So please circle hockey. 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 The last one. That's a national sport. Finish, everyone. Okay, so quickly we are going to do transition activity. It's been a long time since we did. Okay, so what is a game? Please keep your pencils down and listen. Look at me, children. Okay, so what we are going to do is I'm going to call us. We are just going to play with few people. Not everybody will get a chance, so please don't insist for everybody. Okay, others will get a chance tomorrow also. Okay, so only few people get a chance. We can do rest of the worksheet. If everybody starts playing, then we will not able to finish the worksheet. Okay, so only few people will get the chance today for the game. So what is the game is not simple. I'll just call out a name and I'll say high five. Okay, that person has to give me a high five like this, and he has to call any of his friends' name, whomever he likes in his class, and say high five. Okay, very simple. Just that you have to listen for your name. If your name is called, I'll count 5. Before that, you have to unmute and say high five. If not, the chance will go to the next person. Ready? Understood? I'll call out the name. Okay, I'll count 5. Before that, you have to unmute and say high five to me. Okay, and you have to call out somebody's name in this classroom. Okay, and they will call somebody and say high five. Okay, just that you have to call out your friend's name and say high five. Understood, everybody? Is anybody not understanding? Tell me. I'll repeat it slowly. Got it, everyone? Ritik, didn't understand?
No, ma'am.
Ritik, see, I will call out, I'm calling out Adya. Okay, I'll say Adya, high five. Okay, Adya will unmute and say high five, ma'am. And she will call Dayanand high five. So Dayanand will unmute and say high five. And he will call Grithvik. So Grithvik has to unmute and say high five Dayanand. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Got
Like
it?
that game?
Yes. Got it? Okay. Ready? Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Adya, high five.
High five, ma'am. Even side.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
High five.
You have to say high five Adya and call somebody else.
Ritik. High five.
See, Grithvik, you should say high five Yuvansai and call somebody else. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
High five.
Yuvansai.
Even side.
Okay, and call somebody name.
Nikita.
Call high five Nikita. 5,
High
4, 3, 2.
Gautam.
Gautam Rishi. High five Gautam Rishi.
High five.
Say, what's her name?
My name.
Nikita.
Nikita.
Say
And then call somebody's name.
somebody's name, some of your friend name. Say some name.
Radhika.
Say some.
5.
High five.
Say loudly. Satvik, high five.
Satvik. Satvik. 5, 4, 3, 2.
High five. High five Gautam Rishi.
Very good. And call somebody's name Satvik.
Arjun.
Arjun. 5, 4, 3, 2. 1.
High five Satvik.
And do high five to somebody. Call somebody. Good. Quick, quick, quick. Arjun.
Rosal.
Gautam again. Okay, Gautam. 5, 4.
Again,
Rosal, ma'am.
Okay, thanks, Arjun. Yes, Gautam, call somebody else. High five to Arjun. 5, 4.
High five Vanita.
Okay, high five Varnika. 5, 4, 3.
Lakshita.
Lakshita. 5, 4.
Hi Vanika. High five Vanika.
Okay. And call somebody else, Lakshita.
Diana.
Okay, Dayanand. 5, 4, 3.
Hi Lakshita.
And call somebody else, Dayanand.
Hi Sharon. Hi
Sai. Okay. 5.
five Dayanand.
Not again to the same person. Giving back. Call somebody else. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Hi five Gautam Rishi.
Gautam Rishi already done twice. Call somebody else.
Hi five Satvik.
Satvik is also done. I'll say Izan is there, Shravan is there, Roshan is there, Jayakrish is there, Lisha is there.
High five, Jay Krish.
Jayakrish, okay.
Izan.
Okay, so high five Izan. Very good. Izan,
Izan. High five, Jay Krish. High five, Arjun.
not Arjun. Arjun already done. Somebody else.
Lakshta ji.
Okay, Lakshraj.
No, ma'am, Lakshta ji.
Lakshita ji. Lakshita ji.
High five.
To whom?
High five.
Name it. Say the name.
Our teenagers got the rush.
Say it loudly. High five, Gautam. This is
High five got the rushy.
Gautam Rishi, big fan you've got, but if already Gautam Rishi has done twice. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm going to call rest of the people. High five, Roshan. Thank you, Lakshita. Who am I calling?
High five, Lisa.
High five, Lisha. Okay, high five, Lisha.
Here, soldier.
Varnika.
Say hi.
Arpita done.
कौन सा पढ़ी?
High five.
Varnika.
High five.
Okay, thank you, Lisha. I'll take that high five from you. High five, Roshan. High five, Shravan. High five, Lakshraj. And high five, Shika. High five, Kumar.
High five, Roshan.
High five, Mahasan.
High five.
High five, Kavan. High five, Mahasan.
High five.
Okay, done. Very good. Okay, so now we are going to do the next worksheet, subtraction. Lakshita, high five, Lakshita. Take out your worksheet, day 136, empty worksheet. Empty worksheet. You will have a bell cup there. Quickly, we are going to do. The first one, I want Izan to help me. Izan, do you have the worksheet with you?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, let me call. Lakshra, do you have the worksheet with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on, take out the worksheet, day 136, empty worksheet. Everybody, please write your name. Put today's date as 15.2.21. Quickly, I'm going to count 20. Reverse counting. Before that, I want all of you to write your name and date. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Lakshita, did you take the worksheet, Lakshita?
I did that worksheet.
Name and date, Lakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, the first one I'm going to do, the rest I'm going to ask. Laksha, just give me a minute, okay? So here if you see, there are bells there, okay? The first number is 7 minus 4, okay? So there will be 7 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bells, okay? So now how many bells we have to strike out? What is the number after minus? 4. So we have to strike out 4 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have struck out 4 bells. So how many is left out? 1, 2, 3. I will write 3. 7 in the mind, 4 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. My answer is right. Understood, children? So always look for the number after the minus sign. You know that, right? This is minus sign. So after minus sign, look for the number. Strike out that many things and then write the rest of the count rest of the item and write the number. Okay, come on, Lakshraj. Read this, Lakshraj.
6 in the mind,
Hmm.
3 on the finger.
Very good.
6. Before 6,
5.
5.
You have 3 in the finger, Lakshraj. Have only 3 in the finger.
6 in the
Before
mind, 3
6.
in the finger.
Before 6.
Before 6,
5.
5, 4, 3.
3.
Answer is
3.
Okay, and one more thing. See, after minus, what is the number there? What is the number there?
3.
Okay, strike out 3 cups. 1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
3. So how many cups are left out? Count. 1.
count.
1, 2, 3.
How many cups are left out?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so write 3. Very good. Your answer is right, Lakshraj. Good. Write 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, Saicharan.
8 minus 2.
Okay, so after minus, what is the number?
2.
So we have to strike out how many dogs?
2.
Strike out 2 dogs. Okay, others strike out 2 dogs, children. Now count how many dogs is left out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many dogs left out?
6.
Okay, now do 8 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 2 in the finger.
8 in the mind, 2 in the finger.
Hmm.
Before 8,
Hmm.
7, 6.
Okay, so answer is 6. Very good. Right. Very good. Give a big enough clap for Saicharan. Clear. Very good. Next, Kumara Guruparan. Okay, after minus, what is the number there, Kumaraguran? 5 minus 3. After minus, what is the number?
4.
Hey, what is the number? After 5 minus.
After minus, what is the number there?
3.
3. Strike out 3 cards.
Minus.
No, listen to me, Kumara. Strike out 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Strike out 3 cards. How many cards are left out without strike out? How many cards are there?
2.
2. Okay, now do 5 in the mind.
5 in the mind.
3 in the finger. Saicharan, sit straight, Saicharan.
After 2.
No, before 5.
Before 5.
Before 5. 4,
4,
3,
2.
2. Good. Next,
2
Shiva.
minus.
2. Very good. Kumaragun, right. Right, 2. Shiva.
Hmm.
4
Yeah.
minus 3.
Hmm.
After minus, what is the number?
1 strikeout.
How many?
4 strikeout.
After minus, what is the number there? Louder, Shiva.
3.
Okay, so I have to strike out 3 stars. Strike out 3 stars. How many stars left out without strike out? 1.
1.
Now do 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger.
Now is 3 in the mind,
4 in the mind,
4 in the mind,
3 in the finger.
3 in the finger.
Before 4.
Before 4,
What is before 4?
3,
Hmm.
2, 1.
Very good. Your answer is correct. 1.
1 only answer. 1 only answer.
Ahaswin. Are you there, Manaswin? Manaswin is not there. Okay. Kavin. Three. Kavin, are you there, Kavin? Okay, I didn't get answer. Okay, Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
3 minus 1.
3 in a mind, 1 in a finger. Before 3, 2.
2. Okay, so after minus, what is the number?
2.
No, after minus, dear. After minus, what is the number?
1.
Okay, so I will strike out 1 cycle. So how many cycles are left out?
2.
Our answer is correct. Good, Shravan. Are you all with me? Are you writing same way, striking it out and writing? Yes. Have you all finished? Yes, Lisha's done. Ritvik done. Lakshita done. Varnika done. Saicharan done. Lakshraj done. Jayakrish done. Okay. Shiva done. Shravan done. Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
You came back, Kavin. I was calling for you. Okay. Kavin. Okay, now take out this worksheet, children. Day 136 ERP worksheet.
They wanted this.
Take it, write your name, keep it down. ERP worksheet. Write your name and keep it down. Yes, yes, Kavin, the same one. Okay, so if you have written your name, date, keep it down. I want to show you something and then we'll learn. Once you are ready, show me thumbs up, children. I can see Shiva, Lakshraj, everybody kept it down. Sai Charan. Write your name, put today's date 15.2.21 and keep it down. Okay, Roshan, can you spell the spelling for dog, Roshan?
O-A-T.
One more time, dog.
D-O-G.
You didn't listen to my question. D-O-G. So spelling of dog is D-O-G. Are you all listening? Spelling of dog is D-O-G. So what I'm doing is, Lakshash, can you listen? What I'm doing is, I'm not giving you the spelling. Okay, I'm just writing it as O-D-G. I wrote the wrong spelling. So I will give you the picture. So you have to tell me what is the correct spelling. You should say, ma'am, you wrote the spelling as wrong, ma'am. The dog spelling is D-O-G, ma'am. You should tell me like that. Okay. Let me ask Izan. Izan, what is spelling for cat?
Cat.
Have I written the correct spelling?
No, ma'am.
No, I wrote it wrong.
Correct,
Spelling
correct.
is
What is the correct spelling?
C-A-T cat.
Yes, C-A-T, cat is the correct spelling. Okay. Likewise, Adya, what is this, Adya?
Nikal.
3, ma'am.
Yes, tree. What is spelling for tree? Wait. I am writing the spelling for tree. Is this spelling for tree? Have I written it correctly?
No.
Now what is spelling for tree?
T-R-E-E.
Okay, so you have to look at the picture, find out what is that. If I write the wrong spelling, you have to give me the correct spelling. Okay, that is the worksheet we are going to do now. Okay, now take over the DRT worksheet. Those who haven't written your name and date, please write your name and date now. Okay, Lisha, can you tell me? I will give you the clue. Okay, it is a kind of dress. What is this?
What
It is
is
a
this?
kind of dress. What is this?
What is this?
T-shirt. T-shirt.
No.
It's
Nalla
on,
parayilla.
over the shirt. You have this. What is that?
Wait. Listen, ma'am.
Shirt.
No.
Above, see, you will wear shirt, pant. Okay, shirt, shorts. Above the shirt, you will wear it. What is that?
Shirt மேல போடுவாங்க. டாடி கூட போடுவாங்க shirt மேல. என்ன போடுவாங்க?
It starts with C. What's a dress?
C. C ல ஸ்டார்ட் ஆகுமே. ம்.
Coat.
Very good. Coat. Okay. So coat. They have not given the correct spelling here.
இங்க.
Coat. Very good. So we are going to write the correct spelling here. Okay.
போட்டோட
C
கட் பண்ணி எழுது. சொல்லு.
O A T.
Coat.
Coat. Remember when we learned O sound? Yes, we learned no when we have O A, the sound is O. Okay. So coat. O C O A
T.
T.
ம்.
Coat.
ம்.
Okay.
Right here.
C O A T. Coat. Above the shirt, you will wear it coat. Next, Kavin. What is this, Kavin? You play this for games. When you play a board game, you will use a snake and ladder. All the games you will use this. What is this?
Dice.
Dice. What is spelling for dice? See, the letters are given here. You're going to make the spelling. The wrong spelling is given here. Tell me what is spelling for dice.
D I E C.
D I E C or C E?
E.
Louder.
C E.
Very good. D I C E. D I C E.
C E na.
D I C E. Dice. Next, Jai Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
You see this? When you go to supermarket, you carry things in this. Remember? When you go to supermarket, you keep all the things and you push it and go. Have you been to supermarket carrying this?
Yes.
What is this called? It is called as cart. What is it called as? Okay, spelling is given here. Try finding out the spelling for cart. What is spelling for cart?
E R K.
No, see here. You have R C A. Okay, spelling. Jayakrish, listen to me, Jayakrish. Only then you'll be able to find out. Ka, a, r, ta. What is spelling? So C.
C A E R T.
Cart. Okay. So next time when you go to supermarket, what will you say this as? This trolley is called as
Cart.
cart. Okay, shopping cart. Next, Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
You fly this in sky using a rope. What is this?
Kite.
Kite. So see here, E is given, T is given, I is given, K is given. The wrong spelling is given. Help me with the correct spelling, Varnika. Try this. Kite. What is standing letter for kite? Very good. K. Hmm.
I
Very good. It. So I-T. It. Good. Very good answer. Kite. Good. K-I-T-E. Kite. Next, Yuvan Sai.
Yes, ma'am.
When you in your home, no, when you have any photo frame or pictures hanging in the wall, you will hang it here. What is this? Have you seen this? What is this?
Nail.
Very good. Nail. So what is standing letter for nail?
In
Hmm.
I
A sound. A sound means what you will write? A sound.
A
A-I. When you have A sound, what you will write?
I
Okay, so nail. N-A-I. Nail.
L
L. Nail. Okay, Yuvan sir, there is one more nail. No, what is that? Where is that one more nail?
that is sand nail.
What is that, ma?
Sand nail.
Hand nail. Hand nail.
Hand nail.
In your fingers, see. In your fingers you have no nails. That is one more nail. Okay, one nail, you fix it in the wall. Another nail is this one, nail. In the fingers you have no nail.
No nail move.
Even say clear, nail? No?
Ma'am, 3 is nail.
3 is there. Tell me what are the 3 nails?
Hammer nail.
That hammer nail only, this one. Okay.
Finger nail.
Fingernail. Okay. One more nail. What is one more nail? I
Sand
know.
nail.
Sand nail. Oh, I don't know that. I know only 2 nails.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Vansai. Okay, the last one. Let me ask Arjun. What is the last one? Look at the picture and tell me. It is a vehicle. Water vehicle.
Step.
Ship. So sh sound. What you will write? Sh sound.
SS.
Very good. Sh. So sh. Ip. Ip. E sound means what you will write? Ip. E sound.
I.
Very good. P sound.
P.
P. Wonderful. Ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Have you all finished?
Finished.
Yes. Finished? Okay. So what I'll do today, I'll share you around 10 to 12 words. Please wait. If you're finished, very good. I'll share you 10 to 12 words. Okay. Read those words at home. We will revise tomorrow in the class. Okay. Before we start the class, tomorrow we will revise those words. You will have a dictation on those words in this sheet. You have this 136 dictation sheet, right? In that sheet, you will have the dictation on this on Thursday. If Thursday we don't have time, we'll have it on Friday. So be prepared for Thursday. Today is only Monday. So you have Monday evening, Tuesday evening and Wednesday evening. So Thursday you will have test on this dictation. If we don't have on Thursday, we will definitely have it by Friday. So please prepare all these words for dictation. I'll send you these words. Okay. We'll revise those words. If you don't know how to read those words, no problem. Tomorrow we will revise the words in the class before we start the class tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much. Izan alone, please stay back. Okay. Izan, others you can leave. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.